Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daydread. Now, Bounty Killer and Beenie Man for Versus. Dancehall icons Bounty Killer and Beenie Man will represent for Jamaica at the first ever dancehall battle Versus, dubbed the Sound Clash edition, over the weekend. The announcement has created a buzz on social media since yesterday, coinciding with music producer Swiss Beats teasing fans on Lila IK's listening EP session last week that the Versus platform will be featuring Jamaican acts.
Mr. Man, bless up to the love for your show, Jamaican music and reggae music, and the support for you do it Versus.
Thank you.
The whole of Jamaica lucky into Versus, you know, Jill Scott, Erica Badu, some different vibes.
We coming to Jamaica soon still with Versus, so be ready.
Bro, we're ready, man.
With Beenie Man and Bounty Killer treating fans to their extensive music catalogue, dancehall music will get its shine on the global stage. Organized by Grammy-winning producers Swiss Beats and Timbaland, the Quarantine Social Media live music series, which has attracted millions of viewers, has featured live musical battles between some of the biggest acts in music, like Erica Badu versus Jill Scott, and last week, Nelly versus Ludacris. Awesome. Can't wait. Now, Agent Sasko goes loco. Agent Sasko today finally released his Instagram favorite track, dubbed Loco, much to the delight of his fan base.
People are said I wanna loco, get Teflon. What if we do for the promo? Chop a coffee remix and call it Coco. They shoot the video in a slow-mo.
Produced by Teflon, Zinc Fence, and recorded at Sasko's Diamond Studios, Loco will be featured on Agent Sasko's highly anticipated untitled project, scheduled for release this year. That's it for this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daydread. Thank you for watching.